Hey, mister. Ready for Misibis?
I'm ready. Going to Misibis.
We're just here in the lobby waiting for mom and dad to pick us up. We're heading to Misibis. And I was telling Uncle, he's so slow.
Not a tricycle.
No, it's a bicycle with a sidecar. That's we call pajak. Pajak. Tricycle and then pajak.
On the left?
Yeah, it used to be Aquinas University. Now it's University of Santo Tomas, which is like the main school is in Manila. The University of Santo Tomas in Legazpi. Because the main one is in Manila. This used to be called Aquinas University. Still the solar panel. It was supposed to be solar, right?
This one?
Yeah.
So these
How to use it.
So these would be solar powered.
Yeah, they
still the panel.
But they nothing.
That one. Oh, that one there.
Yeah, nothing. All gone.
Oh yeah, the panel's on.
Oh my God! Look at that. It's just a post left.
Can't get still the post.
Yo, there's one. That one has still Oh, that one because it's close to a house. It's still there. They didn't rob it.
The car is really getting pushed here as we've been really driving along some steep elevations, and you can hear like the turbo as we try to climb up some of these hills. So the car is getting quite a workout on our way to Misibis. That's the turbo you're hearing as we climb some of this mountainous terrain.
We're almost there. It's only seven more kilometers. We're here. Welcome to Misibis, Cagraray Island. Check lang muna. Kita mga kayo ka na Look at my hair. My hair is up. It's too warm.
So you can grab this and we can drive around.
No, so Hotel Alice, it is Misibis as well.
Oh, it's all okay. So that's where we're staying next week.
Yeah, Hotel Alice.
When I was taking those pictures, yeah.
Hey, so we're heading to the restaurant.
I want to use the pool here.
We can use it now if we want.
Yeah, after we check in.
Okay, yeah.
See the turtle. This is the restaurant. The spice market here in Misibis Bay.
Oh, it's nice. And they
We're
even
just waiting
have
to check
hummus.
in at our room. Yeah, look at that. Is that the pool back there?
Huh?
Is that the pool back there?
Yeah.
Nice. And look, you can see the beach there.
Yeah, and those are some of the rooms. I don't know what's the room we're gonna be in, but yeah.
That's all right. I'll take it.
Let's do.
Let's go grab food.
Mashed potato. This one is vegetable medley. And Sado a la king,
What's that?
which
Chicken?
is no fish. And fish with coconut milk.
And look at this.
And chicken schnitzel. Oxtail with anise glaze. So that's oxtail. Oh, it looks good. I think I'm gonna have it. And this is long beans with coconut milk. I think that's.
What did you get?
So like a baked mussel, oxtail. This one is fish, and this one is like long beans and squash in coconut milk.
I got schnitzel, potatoes, and vegetables. I kept it basic. Cheers.
That's refreshing.
I guess I was thirstier than you. I drank mine fast. Well, beer, you barely touched yours.
I'm still eating.
Pineapple, some lychee. Oh.
And look
What food is this?
Good. This one is custard. And this is like a brownie. Oh no, it's a chocolate cake.
Nice, yeah.
Mama brought us pomelo. It's in the bag that she gave me.
Oh, yeah? Look at this. Nice. Now we go in the water. So we checked into the Misibis Bay. We're just about to get our room.
We had lunch though while waiting for our room because we got here before 2 o'clock. So check-in is 2 o'clock. So now we're heading to the reception to just check if our room is ready. It's just a short distance. Look at that walk.
Kumain na kayo ba dyan?
Oo, kumain.
Take a look in the room. This is a nice room. So here's a bathroom. We got a soaker tub, a shower, and they didn't have king suite, so we were stuck with double beds. I guess it was through the agency we booked through. Television.
We're doing something that we've never done before.
And then there is the view of the swimming pool and the beach. Oh my god, I'm already missing this place and we just checked in. So we just checked into our room in Misibis Bay, and as you can see it's really nice. We have a really great view of the pool and the beach and the ocean. and we're just eager to get out there and explore a little bit more. Across here is the restaurant, so we're actually pretty close to everything.
And that's the beach.
Incredible. Perfect weather. It's actually not even that humid. It felt more humid earlier, but it seems to have cooled down a little bit. And there's the beach in the distance. They've got a ton of activities, just reviewing them right now and just trying to get a sense of what we plan to do over the next couple of days that we're here. So they got stuff outside the resort. They've got, of course, the ATV tour, which we're definitely going to do. They've got a spa here, and then, of course, room service. So, yeah, I think we're all set over our stay here. This is the beach, and then the resort. Our room is just over in the corner there. It's nice. Sand here is kind of gravelly.
Because this is a man-made beach.
Yeah. Our room is this building right here, so we are right in front of we actually face that pool, and then we've got this beach in the background.
Like in that corner, that's one of
yeah, and facing the pool. Oh, and the sun's out again. And there's a pool. That is cool. This is the life. And we moved over to one of the quieter pools. There's a ton of pools here. And there's another one of the pools just behind these trees. Water is so blue. This is the life. Now we're just lying poolside, enjoying the nice weather and a good atmosphere. And Sally, show the friends you brought. These guys accompany us on all our vacations, so we can usually post a picture with them in front of wherever we are. Look at the sky, it looks pretty cool. The sky.
like all the coconut trees.
Yeah, looks like a ceiling. This place is well taken care of though, you know. It's got, yeah, so much staff. It's the one thing, this place, you can tell they not only do it when Zac Efron is here, but also when Ryan and Jean Sally Gristy is here, right? It's true though.
In my ear. here. And my sunglasses there. How is it?
Nice.
Aloha!
Got some more villas here to the left, sorry, to the right, and then the shop is right up here, and then there's the reception building, and then this to the left is the spice market, which is the restaurant. Has a buffet and a la carte. Look at this turtle. Is this like when we were in Mexico, there was Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? We got a turtle here too. So this tree above us with the yellow flowers is acacia. Alright guys, I think we're going to put the camera away for today, go shower, and then prepare for dinner, and we'll be back tomorrow with a day full of adventure here in Misibis Bay. So we will catch you all then. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So what do we have here?
We have stir-fried beef, pork ribs binagoongan, ikong pao chicken, chop suey with the rice. We have rice and corn, and dessert, we have watermelon and mango.